Hello, good day viewers. Presenting the Gwani Water Biller. Content at a glance. Benefit to Water Biller to State Utility Board. How to sign up on Water Biller portal. How to use Water Biller account. How bills are generated on Water Biller. Charge per bill. Importance of sponsorship. Benefit to Water Utility Board. Water Biller is an initiative of Gwani Software to assist Water Utility Board in the states in Nigeria to have an efficient billing system for water users in the state. Gwani Software comes up with a water billing system that is online and accessible to all the 36 states for effective generation of water bill to its subscribers. How to sign up? Any state or the federation and FCT can sign up for an account on the Water Biller for the purpose of generating and processing bills. Forms are available for download in the portal. The procedure are: download the application form, print the downloaded application form fill the form, sign it and scan in PDF format. Mail to info@gwanisoftware.com. info@gwanisoftware.com. The scanned form together with a cover letter written and signed by State Commissioner of Water Resources or any relevant office in the state. B. Sign terms and conditions. Wait for activation email from us. So this is an overview of the Gwani Water Biller website. You can access it by www.gwanisoftware.com/sales/waterbiller. How to use the account? You can use an account by clicking on login on the web page and enter your username and password accordingly, which was sent to you via email. So this is a preview of how the login page looks like. So how bills are generated. On this portal, it's free. However, for each bill generated on a monthly basis, we charge token amount to sustain this portal. We charge 10 Naira per bill per user. If there are 10,000 water subscribers in a particular state, for instance, we charge 100,000 each month as their bill is generated. However, this amount will not all come from the state. The state only pays 20,000 and the rest is paid by companies which place adverts in this site. So, charge per bill. We charge token amount to sustain this portal. We charge 10 Naira per bill per user. Where there is a sponsor, states pay 2 Naira per water subscriber for each bill is generated to him. In each state, one company or individual is required to place adverts in this site so as to augment the 8 Naira. Importance of sponsorship. Gwani Software charges 10 Naira for each water bill generated by state on this portal. This amount is divided as follows: 2 Naira to be paid by the state, 8 Naira to be realized through adverts for sponsorship by companies, institutions, and individuals from the state. Companies, agencies, institutions, or even individuals can place sponsorship advert on this site to augment the charge of generating bill. Each bill generated by the state bears the sponsor's name on its footer. Thank you very much.
Hello viewers, you are welcome to this tutorial which is going to take you through how to use the Gwani Water Biller. To access the portal, you have to type the address, which is www.gwanisoftware.com/sales/waterbiller. You press enter and wait for your browser to load. This is the portal. The portal is supposed to assist utility boards, water boards for states, 36 states in Nigeria, to document their customers and be generating monthly bill for them. So as any state come in here, they are supposed to sign up. To sign up, they will need to obtain a form for signing up. Then after they fill the form, we are going to open an account for them and they can log into the account. This is for state registration where they can obtain the application form. Clicking here, They will download our application form, fill, and then submit back. Then we can now open their account. And with the account open, they can now log in through the site by clicking on login. They will have a username and password. Let's use Bauchi State Water Board account, which the username is user, and then we now type the password to access the account. Click login, they'll get access to the account. This is the account. Now, if there is any sponsoring company which is sponsoring bills from that state, the sponsor company name will be shown here and their website here. If there is no sponsor, it means we are going to be charging the State Utility Board 2 naira per one copy of bill they are printing to a customer on a monthly basis. But if there are sponsors, the sponsors will not take away the money the State Utility Board are supposed to pay, and the Utility Board can use this facility free. Now the next thing after signing up is to create customers. Each state they have their customers under their water utility. On coming to this menu, water customers, you can add, you can search, you can delete, you can edit a customer. Let's click on adding customer. A form is going to be provided where you can now actually create a new water customer. You select the title here for the customer, and then his first name, surname, other name, and then his address. Here you choose the customer category. You see on the domestic line, light commercial, medium commercial, and heavy commercial. And then his occupation, government, as his own employers, private or business or unemployed. You see a very important customer, you choose yes or no. And then is there abnormality on his water line, you specify here. The form continues down, you give your remark, and then the delivery point where you choose the area code for the customer. And then his folio, the registration fee he is going to pay as his own first bill, how much has he paid of the registration, the name of the area, the payment date where you pick from a calendar, the phone number, the email address, then the State Water Board account number you give to him. This account number will be used for search regarding this customer, and it's supposed to be unique. The status, you see having pipeline connection and there is water, meaning connected active. Having a pipeline connection but no water, it means it's connected inactive and not connected. Then the GPS location, the house address. From there you now proceed to fill the density location information. The density location information, you choose is density. You see on the high density water line, medium density, low density. You now put the inhabitant plots, vacant, number of room in the house, number of towers, whether he's satisfied with the services, whether he's willing to pay his fee for an improved service, and you submit. That is all. The customer account will now be created. You can equally search for a particular customer by clicking on the search customer menu. We have a bulk search where you can search a lot of customers, and we have a single search. For a single search, you will need the water board account number of the customer to type here, and then you now search for that particular customer. It's going to give you an error message if there is no such customers, as in this case, no customer found with this account number. And if a customer is found, you can print his record. You can equally edit a customer. When clicking edit, it will show you all the customers in that state. Like now it's showing customer 1 is Mato Jibrin. This is his phone number. And you can click here to edit the customer, and you can click here to delete the customer. When clicking to edit, it is going to show you the record of the customer where you can make some changes. Look at the record. You can make any changes you want to make, and then after making the change, you submit and it will be updated. Then there are settings you have to set before you start generating your water bill. There is the water pump setting, zone setting, water charge setting, area water setting, state import setting, and bill setting. Under the water pump setting, when you click, you are going to specify the zone. Already is Bauchi, so the name Bauchi appears here. Then you give the sub-zone, and then you give the velocity of the water pump pumping water to that sub-zone under this zone. And normally, the velocity is given in feet per second. Then you now update. Any sub-zone without a water pump velocity, they will automatically not have a bill, because they must have a water pump that is pumping water there with a non-velocity before their bill can be calculated. And then you can equally click on zone setting to make some changes on the zone. This is the zone, sub-zone, and then also the water pump velocity setting. You can click on water charge setting, where you can now set how much do you charge for 1 liter in that state. Like in this case, we are seeing 1 liter of water pumped to customers by Waterboard bill in Bauchi State is being charged 0.078 naira. That will be the setting for calculation of bill. You can change the setting and click on create and update to change the setting. We also have the area water setting. When you click, you can click on area, type the area, give the area code, and select the zone. Then you will now give the diameter of the water pipe that is supplying water to that zone. And this is given in inches, the diameter. You click here to create, and you can click here to view other settings that you have already set. Like we have for Birshin Pulani, the diameter of their pipeline is 7 inches. And they used to get water for 56 hours in a month. And this is their bill so far. Then you can equally supply state info, where you can change the information regarding the state utility board. The information, the name of the state cannot be changed, and the name of the board cannot be changed. Likewise, the username. But you can change the address, you can change the website, corporate email, corporate phone number, and all other settings here. And you click save info, the information of that state water board or utility board will now be updated. You can set your bill by selecting an area. Let's say Birshin Pulani. The area code is shown as BF. You can now give how many hours do they receive water in that particular month. Before generating bill for the month, you have to specify how many hours they enjoy water supply, so that the system will calculate their bill based on the water they consume. After typing here, you click on update hour, it will now update it. And this is the place to generate your bill. You can view the access code fee for monthly bill. You can generate monthly bill here. You can view the bill arrears. You can view bill payments. You can verify payment and proceed to print monthly bills. And you can pay bill. If you want to generate monthly bill, for instance, click here. You now click on start to generate. And then you will now choose cumulative bill arrears, or you want to print bill for this month alone, or you want to see the cumulative arrears. Cumulative arrears, you can now be resending cumulative arrears. While generating bill for the month, it will take the arrears and add with the current month. And then you click on start. Now, you still go back, and then you can view an access code. Normally, when you generate bill, what you are expected to do, we are charging amount for each bill. Like for this state, we are charging 4 naira for each bill. They will now have to, an email is sent to their email regarding the money they are supposed to pay. Then they are going to pay in our account in UBA. After they make the payment, then an access code will now be sent to them. So anytime they want to print the bill, they must provide that access code in order to print the bill. They will come to verify payment and proceed. They will now put the access code given to them after they make payment, and they click on verify. Then it will give them their bill out, which they can now generate. Like now, the access code is wrong. Had it been the correct access code is being supplied, the bill will now be shown. And then the customer will have the bill printed and sent to that particular customer. And then this is the place for logging out. When you click, you log out from your account. So for more information regarding how to use this system, we have contact numbers here for 4 of our staff. Look at their contact numbers that they can be contacted. And we have our office phone that you can be contacted when you have a problem. Using this is absolutely free. But printing a bill without a sponsor, we charge amount, 2 naira per bill. But if there is a sponsor, it's going to be a free. The sponsor must come from the same states. Thank you very much. States can now generate bill. They can generate bill by clicking on generate bill, which is found on the menu. Once you click, you wait. Other sub-menus are going to be shown for the generation of bill. Now these are the sub-menu for generating bill from the water billing system. Now in the menu we have bill access code fees for monthly bill, bill arrears, verify payment, sorry, the network issue. The sub-menus are 3, and the first process is to generate the bill. After you generate a bill, then depending on the number of customers you are issuing the bill, we are going to charge you an amount, 2 naira per customer. Then it will be mailed to you, the payment detail and the total amount you are supposed to pay in order to access that monthly bill. And then once the payment was done, an access code is going to be sent to you, which you can use to access those bills. So normally you start from generate monthly bill. When you click generate monthly bill, you will click on start. As you click on start, it's going to calculate the total number of bills are generated as 2 naira per bill. After the bill are generated for your water customers, you will be charged this amount, and you must pay the amount before you can access and print the bill. After payment, access code will be sent to you via the corporate email registered with the account. Cumulative bill on arrears. This monthly bill will not be printed. Rather, it will be added to the bill arrears of customers for printing in future monthly bills. Print bill for this month. Customer will be billed and print out report generated. Now, we will not do this process because we have already done it and obtained our access code. So you click on view access code. Then this is where you can now actually make the payment, and this is the payment detail. Then you can actually pay the bill. Click on pay bill. Then okay, this is for payment of bill. When actually a customer makes payment, you can now use this particular page to now generate his receipt for payment. And then we have bill payments. We have the area bill payment, we have the customer bill payment as well. We have verify payment and proceed to print monthly bills. So here you are going to put the access code that was sent to you. And we have an access code which we are going to collect and then supply it for the payment of the bill. So I'm going to open the access code, and then which was mailed to us. It will be mailed to your corporate email, and then you can now use the access code to see the monthly bill that you are going to generate for the month. Now this is the access code. I'm going to now type the access code sent, and then you click on verify. Now it will be verified. whether it's correct. And now after the verification, the bill for the month for that state will be generated as follows. Look at how the bills look like, where you have the bill period, September 2018. All the customers will be shown. This is the first customer, Mato Jibrin Bala. His water account number is this, home address, phone number, organization. Then going down, his last payment is a payment of 12 naira. Last payment date 30th. And then bill arrears. This is his own bill arrears. This is the current bill. And then this is the water tariff per gallon. And going down, you have the water bill due. This is the total due of his bill. This is the value added tax to the bill. Then this is the total water bill together with the VAT. This is the end of the first customer, and it proceeds. This will now show the company that is sponsoring or augmenting the bill for that state. And when you go down, you have the bill for the second customer as well. Look at it. Going down up to the end. And you can simply use your printer here to print the bill. Where you select your printer and then you print as you like. Thank you very much.